Okay, should we...
You going out there?
Yeah, I'm going out.
Like how you...
I'm just gonna jump. Yeah, I'm just jumping. Just jumping.
Alright.
Alright, should we go? Three?
Okay, 3, 2,
Two,
1.
one. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards. Yesterday we drove down island from Cape Scott. That circular spiral fossil formation or something, rock formation.
Crazy. These rocks are so beautiful.
This spot is absolutely incredible.
So crazy. These rocks are hot. Gotta get there fast. Coming in, Rube? Ooh, it's pretty nice, honestly.
How far are you sending it?
Gonna do a little exploration out there maybe or something.
And later on in first.
Not really.
Hear the...
Boys,
I feel like we just haven't really soaked in the waterfall that much. Like the sun warms up the top foot of the water. Yeah. And underneath it's fucking cold. You're gonna press the red button there? Yeah.
Are you just gonna like jump in?
Yeah. I think I'm just gonna jump out here. Alright, should we go?
Dude, there might be huge fish in there. Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
So you're sending it there, dude?
Yeah, okay. Should we...
You going out there?
Yeah, I'm going out.
Like how you...
I'm just gonna jump. Yeah, I'm just jumping. Just jumping.
Alright.
Alright, should we go? Three?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
We should swim in there though. We should make it in. Oh, what a beautiful waterfall right here. So nice. I do it. Gotta wait a minute. I don't know if I want to get it here. Kind of want to go in. That is motherfucking water. Yeah, hey?
Thank you for watching this video here on Onwards and Upwards. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to the right. If you like hiking, nature, and traveling videos, then you're in the right place. Have a nice day, and good luck on your adventures.